I did Coke. It's a poster for Coke.
Okay.
Ano yung nakikita mo sa mga tindahan?
Okay, syempre, you don't look the way you do now, no? So, syempre,
It's so different. I had short hair. Tapos, I didn't have braces pa, so may gap sa teeth ko dito.
Okay.
And of course, sobrang menes.
One of the highest paid models.
Am I? I used to.
Okay.
Hindi, before, nung nagbo-model, medyo
talaga?
okay na.
Okay.
But here, different modeling show is very different.
Okay. Are you... Maybe you're not a bombshell, pero a lot of them would agree that you're girlfriend material. Are you?
I think I am.
Okay.
Think ko ako din naman yung mapapakita mo sa nanay mo and sa parents mo. Kasi I grew up naman in a, fine. My mom raised me up well.
Okay.
So, I guess, pwede naman. So, yung typical showbiz question, saan ka mas comfortable making people? Are you comfortable crying or anything? Mas comfortable ako sa pa-cute.
Okay.
Seryoso. Yun yung pinakamadali.
Okay.
Hindi kasi, like I told you earlier na nahirapan akong magalit.
Okay.
Because I'm a really happy person, so when it comes to that, that's talaga yung emotions ko.
So, anong career path natin? Where do you see yourself going?
They said I'm the next superstar.
Alright, that's a great answer.